Let's take you live now to Orchard Park, where news source Trina Catterson is there in OP to show us the conditions. Trina.
Yeah, hey, Jeff and Kelsey, as you mentioned, we're coming to you live from Orchard Park. Let's talk a little bit about the conditions that we're seeing here. The snow, it's coming down, but it really isn't coming down that heavy. The big issue right now is that wind. The wind is just taking all the snow that's already on the ground, even on that snowbank back there, and it's blowing it into the roads. That's causing not only visibility issues, but these roads to be a little slippery. You can see a tow truck behind me. We've watched that tow truck put on 3 different cars, so definitely some rough roads out here. Also, another thing to mention, the temperatures. It's bitterly cold out here. Make sure when you come on out, if you have to leave your home, you're layered up, hat, gloves, jacket, everything in between. So we have been seeing these whiteout conditions all day long. I want to show you some video that we took earlier today. Take a look at this. This is from right outside of our station in North Buffalo at around noon. You can see just how quickly these whiteout conditions can come and go since it was clear and sunny not even an hour later. Niagara Falls was the same story. This other video from earlier today shows just how quickly the roads filled with snow. With that blowing wind, visibility was impacted while one of our photographers was trying to get on the 190 North. And on the 90 this afternoon, conditions looked exactly the same. This video was taken by one of our photographers driving eastbound on the thruway near the Buffalo Airport. Cars, fortunately, were traveling at very low speeds. Now, a reminder that travel advisory is in effect in Erie County. It started at 10 p.m. yesterday, and as of right now, there's no announcement on when it ends. So if you are heading out onto the roads, make sure that you're driving carefully, put those hazard lights on if you have to, and make sure that you're just taking your time. That's the best piece of advice we can give you. Live from Orchard Park, Trina Catterson, News 4.